I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to keep track of your transactions on WorldRemit, checking your payment history is straightforward. Here is how you can do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srog.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Look for the section that lists your recent transactions. Step 3. Access payment history. In the dashboard, find the Payment History or Transactions tab. Click on it to view all your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can filter by date or transaction type. A quick tip: if you're looking for a transaction from a specific month, make sure to set the date range correctly to avoid confusion. Step 5. Review and download. Once you find the transaction you need, you can click on it for more details or download a copy for your records. I hope this guide helps you easily access your payment history on WorldRemit. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.